the 12th grade, we welcome you to our 12th grade Thanksgiving Assembly. I am Rishita and I am here with my friend Azam to host today's assembly. Way back in pre nursery, we were first taught the three magical words for human existence: sorry, please, and thank you. While we as tiny kids took it upon us as if it was our life's mission to follow through on using those words, believing that those words would actually lead to some kind of fairy tale magic. In hindsight, today, as 12th graders, we understand the significance of teaching us those core human values way back in pre primary, which played a huge role in shaping us into good human beings, students, and global citizens. This reminds me of a quote given by William Arthur Ward that goes like, feeling gratitude and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. So, today, on this auspicious occasion of Thanksgiving, the 12th grade students would like to present a video to express our gratitude and to show how thankful we are to this school, our management, and to all the supporting roles played by each and every member of the organization. May we please have the video? I've had the privilege to call Delhi Public School Nacharam my home for 15 years now, and I owe every skill that I possess today to the school, which gave me millions of opportunities to grow, starting right from pre-primary. From my first ever teacher to all the teachers in grade 12. They have been nothing but supportive and encouraging and shaped me into the person that I am today. So, on the special day of Thanksgiving, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the school, the management, and to all the teachers that have taught me throughout the years for showing me the person that I am and for guiding me through my schooling years and always being there for me. Thank you.
A school is not just an institution but a child's second home. DPS Nacharam is one such place that has always made me feel at home, because of which the school, or if we could say my home, will always have a special place in my heart. The research says that 6 to 14 years of age for a child acts as a foundation to his future. And I can confidently say that I indeed have built a strong foundation for mine, all thanks to DPS Nacharam, its management and staff for enriching me with a treasure trove of knowledge, and that too in a fun learning way, so that I am well equipped with the capability to apply theoretical knowledge with real life situations in the form of various activities, be it clubs like dance, music, school cinema, cooking, butterfly fields, etc. I would like to thank the IT department for helping us get well equipped with the existing innovations in the IT sector and brace for upcoming ones. The MI room staff for being there to help not only me but every child in the school. You taught us the value of service before self. And then I would also like to thank the PT department for encouraging and motivating us to get involved in various sports like cricket, football, etc., and help us improve our physical and mental health. Last but not the least, the IRs for the untiring efforts in ensuring the campus to be clean and green, which just further helps in stimulating our energy and innovation. Thank you.
It has been 14 years since I started my journey at DPS Nacharam, and what a journey it has been. I don't think I could have asked for more from the school, which has provided us with so many opportunities, not just with academics, but also encouraging the students to think out of the box, come up with new and innovative ideas, providing us with various platforms to showcase our innovations and the impact it can have on society. And it just doesn't end there. They've also funded these projects and supported the students on their way to becoming a successful entrepreneur. Even the teachers are so dedicated to their students, always available for us no matter what the situation is. From doubt clarification to counseling to guiding us students even when we are away from school. And in this pandemic, they've been working harder than ever, trying their best to make the classes as interesting and interactive as possible. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank Chairman Sir, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'ams, all the teachers and the entire management who work day and night tirelessly to make all of this possible. Thank you so much.
It has been 12 years that I've joined DPS, and now when I think of it, it just gives me a smile on the face and loads of memories I can carry till the end of my life. I'm proud to be part of DPS as the environment which the school provides is more than what a student can ever ask for. The school helps each and every student in aspiring whatever they strive to become, let it be in sports, academics, co-curricular activities. Me myself being sports enthusiastic, the school has given me many opportunities to prove myself. It gives me immense pleasure to thank the teachers, school management, and each and everyone who's been part of the school's functioning.
To receive education is a privilege, but to receive it from Delhi Public School Nacharam is an honor. And today, I feel deeply honored to be a part of this school. DPS Nacharam has not just showed me that education is not limited to books, but it has also provided me with great opportunities that will for sure help me in my life. Having clubs like the Gavel Club has changed my life to a great extent, and I cannot thank the school management enough for that. Having events like the International Interform Business Meet has provided the students with a real business world experience. With this, I would just conclude by saying that DPS Nacharam has provided me with great opportunities and privileges which I will forever cherish in my life.
Wonderful, wonderful.
That was a great way to express our gratitude indeed. On a closing note, I would like to say that even during the most difficult times that the world has been facing for months now, our school has provided us with a sense of stability and normality all throughout the year, which has played a huge role in helping the students cope in these difficult times.
I sincerely thank our Honorable Chairman M. Kumaraya Sir, Director Pallavi Ma'am, and the school management for their unending guidance and support in making this event possible. You have contributed to countless educational initiatives, school sporting events, and staff trainings, touching the lives of all in our community. Your dedication to DPS Nacharam is unparalleled, and we are forever grateful for your support and hard work.
I would like to thank our beloved Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Sunita Rao Ma'am, for her unwavering support. You have shaped the conditions for our teachers and students to learn and succeed. Your vision, wisdom, and passion for this school is apparent every time you address us.
Thank you.
I extend my gratitude to our Senior Vice Principal, Ms. Nandita Sunkara Ma'am, for guiding and motivating us to become better. Your ability to empathize with our students and constant belief in the staff inspires us all to learn new things. We are forever grateful for your impact on this school. We want to take this time to express how much we appreciate the time our teachers take with us. We are grateful for the hard work that you put in to ensure that each student is provided with an individualized experience. You take the time to make sure no child is left behind. Your positive attitude and determination is what inspires us to work harder and brings out the best in us. You always give your best day in and day out for the students, and for that, we want to thank you.
Our students would not be where they are today if it was not for your constant dedication of the school faculty. You're always in constant contact with the teachers, relaying important information that can affect a school day to day. Your caring towards the students has been recognized, and students appreciate what you do for them to help the school run seamlessly. For this, we give our thanks to all of you and to all that you do. Now, I would like to call upon Geetika Jamula to give vote of thanks.
Thank you so much. I think I must appreciate, first of all, hats off to all our teachers. If all the students can stand up and clap for your teachers, stand up, please. Yes, all the 543 students, please stand up and clap for the teachers who've been with you, whether it's preschool till now or class 9 to now or 11 and 12, whatever, because it's not just the teachers of the school. A teacher has been in your life across preschool till the closing of school education, and that's importantly the senior school. The very idea of Thanksgiving Day that Ms. Nandita has been instituting every year, I'm so happy and glad because this important value of gratitude, which we've tried hard to instill in our children, is here to stay. And I'm sure you're going to carry it back to the world and make a difference there. And I'm sure you enjoyed the way we conducted the New Year Eve celebration with a difference this year. A goal-setting stage that was done thanks to the blessings that we received from Swami Bodhmayananda ji, and amazing contribution from secondary school also towards setting, inviting the new year 2021. And thank you so much, senior school, for conducting this Thanksgiving assembly. Every single member here, you have all the vice principals here and headmistresses here and every teacher, the coordinators and all the teachers who made a difference to every single project plan of the school and who worked relentlessly to ensure that the child in our school is the center, is in the center stage. Everything that we do revolves around the child. Whenever we sit down to plan, I and my core team, all of us first think of the child, and then the parents are definitely in our loop of not just communication, but importantly, when we make decision making also, we definitely think of our parents because the parent-school partnership is so high, and I'm sure it is so high because we give due regard to our parents and acknowledge the fact that we are what we are today, tall and proud, standing tall and proud because of our parents who bestowed their trust on the school by having you get educated in a school like ours for years together. All the very best, loads of prayers and blessings to each member of the senior school batch of students. And may 2021 be so special and be a blessing for each one of you that it brings in loads of good health, peace, joy, and success. All the very best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Now, if ma'am might permit, we would like to call Geetika Jamula to...
Please, go ahead.
Good morning, good afternoon. I'm Geetika. Thanks to all my English teachers, my mentors, and my fellow Gavel Club members that you don't have to listen to me speak like that today. I'm Geetika Jamula of Class 12B, and I'm here to thank everyone on behalf of Grade 12. I've joined DPS in 2012, and since then, the journey has been a roller coaster ride. When I first entered my classroom in 4th grade, I realized I was a misfit. Everybody around me was talking carefree, and they were talking about what they did last night and what they want to do ahead. And I was there hesitant to even say hi to the next person sitting to me. So little did I know that from such a young age, DPS played a huge role in developing a child's self-confidence, and it even helped me to become who I am today. And today I hold the confidence to stand before you and express my gratitude to you. Fast forward 6 years in 10th grade, I was diagnosed with appendicitis, and it was that very moment where we had our final exams and also had to attend a badminton match. And I was heartbroken, and it was then that my teacher stepped up to help me. They rescheduled my exams, and every teacher was available to teach me in odd hours, and everybody reassured me that I can do it. And you won't believe what happened next, but that examination was one of my best academic performances in my academic journey. In 11th grade, we had to represent our school at the South Zone Badminton CBSE clusters, and we had to juggle it with our half-yearly exams. And we wondered how would we do that. But the school management made sure, and especially as principal ma'am promised us that we would excel in both. And we earned a bronze medal in that competition, and we excelled in our examinations. We trained 4 to 6 hours every day in badminton, and with the same rigor, we made sure, and our teachers made sure that we studied with the same rigor for the same hours. And I cannot thank you enough how that helped us improve our confidence and made us believe that yes, we can do it. When I say this, I think I speak on behalf of every student of DPS that we thank you for all the love, acceptance, and the tremendous amount of investment that goes into each student of DPS. And I'm sure our teachers will be calling us in the next 5 years, inviting us as chief guests.
Yes.
I thank you.
Yes, yes.
I thank you for transferring.
Wonderful promise. That's a wonderful promise that you leave us with. And the Thanksgiving assembly by senior school has actually made us so happy and joyful, I must say. We're so eager now to receive and welcome the new year. The year has been difficult, and especially with our shoulders having to be broad enough to handle the COVID year, it's not been easy. But all put together, the students, the parents, the school, and every single teacher never complained about anything, but said, yes, we are there with you, and made the impossible possible. We are able to sit here and receive appreciation and gratitude from all of you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This message is going to reach every single teacher of DPS schools. And we're going to show this video to them, and it is already Facebook Live, and it's going to be on all the social media that Delhi Public School Nacharam batch of students have expressed their gratitude to the very important community of teachers. Thank you.
Thank you, DPS, for transforming thousands of lives like me. And we look forward to more moments with you like this. I'm Geetika, taking your leave.
Wonderful. So well spoken. Very nice, Geetika. Very nice. I think you have represented and you've spoken from heart. And yes. I think, like you said, you're representing all these students who are ready to face the big world. And in the words of Principal Ma'am, who always promises in the orientation stating that this is a finishing school stage. And we are confident today to say that, yes, our batch of grade 12 are ready to face the big world and the challenges with a brave heart. And the promise kept. Yes, we look forward to seeing, hearing a lot from our alumni to pass on the tradition of saying that the success stories have loads and loads to speak. Day one, when the child walks into the four walls of the school, is so skeptical about what it is inside. But over these 15 years of transformation, yes, DPS has become your home. And homecoming every year as an alumni. Wishing you all the best and a very, very happy new year to come. Let it bring back loads of promises and hopes with a bright future. Thank you, Principal Ma'am, for giving a platform to grade 12. I think this is one day that makes us feel very nostalgic. And yes, yes, but then the confidence with which our children are, taking a step forward gives us a lot of confidence. Yes, we've
absolutely
done it. We've done a wonderful job. And yes, they are ready to face the big, big world.
Reconfirming our trust in our children. And thank you so much. Wishing all my dear children and all my dear teachers and vice principals and headmistresses a very special new year 2021. May it bring in the loads of blessings. I don't know how much I should show that blessings. That may thousands and loads of blessings to each one of you. May all your aspirations become a reality, and may you, kind of walk ahead to higher education and to the world with a lot of confidence and a joy that you take a very special personality to the society. You actually give back to the society through your personality, and let you be a pride of family and school, and continue to be that for years together and all your life. All the best.
Children have spoken from the heart. Geetika, Rishita, all of them. Really a matter of great pride, ma'am. And I wish all
Shukla ma'am is
children.
not there. The minute gavel club and she would have jumped. Thank you, Renu ma'am and
Thank you,
Nandita
ma'am.
ma'am. Well conducted, beautiful. And I'm so happy that it was so neatly planned that I'm sure we left, it made a difference this year. The joy that we would have had in school to shake hand with every single, the baby 3-year-old pre-nursery to class 12 to say Happy New Year and, advance, Happy New Year in advance. This is how our children would have wished us. We're leaving the campus today. But then I think the online in some way made us connect to each other and still wish each other. And that leaves us in great joy. All the very best. Thank you. I think
May the children leave the bed of thorns of this year, ma'am, with the pandemic, and may they walk on a bed of roses in 2021.
Those are the blessings. Those are the blessings, Gauri ma'am. Thank you.
Yes. Wishing all a very, very, very happy New Year.
Thank you, and IT team. Thank you so much. Happy New Year to each one of you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Very warmly expressed.
Thank you.
Ma'am, can we now close the meeting?
We can close the meeting officially.
Yes, ma'am. We are closing.
Thank you so much.